There is a few things to know to master the particles. First, you need to keep the radius of the particles very close to the voxel length. You can see this under the inspect tab, because if you go too lower, they may disappear from the simulation. Next, you can export the particles to use them to build geometry by your own. I am going to show this. So if I rerun the simulation again with the export option enabled, I will have the particles available. So if you look in the outliner here, you see that we have one more object with the PTC identifier here. Let's get rid of the other object. With these particles, you can do whatever you want. For example, add some metables. Here. And we can, if we make the metaball a shield of the particles and select the particles, go to Object tab, go to Instancing. Here you can enable vertices. And voila, another approach to build the snow.